Hi everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your WordPress site to Google Search Console. This is an essential step for any website owner to monitor their site's presence on Google and improve its visibility in search results. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then go to the Google Search Console website. Once you're on the Google Search Console homepage, click on the Start Now button. Here you have two options to add your property, the domain or the URL prefix. We're going to use the URL prefix method because it's simpler and works well for most users. So enter your website's URL under the URL prefix section. Make sure to include the correct protocol, HTTP or HTTPS. After entering your URL, click on the Continue button. Now, Google will ask you to verify that you own this site. There are several ways to do this. They are HTML file. This is a recommended method to verify your website in the Google Search Console. You need to download the HTML verification file provided in the hyperlink, Google Analytics. If your website is already connected to Google Analytics, or you plan to connect it, you can use it to verify your site in the Google Search Console, Google Tag Manager. You can also verify your website through Google Tag Manager. 1. Expand the Google Tag Manager option. 2. Click the Verify button, and Google Tag Manager will automatically connect your WordPress website to Google Search Console. Domain Name Provider method. This method is suitable for those who prefer not to install a new plugin. The 5th way is to use the HTML tag. It is the easiest. Click on the HTML tag option, you'll see a meta tag that you need to add to your WordPress site. Copy this meta tag. Now head over to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Appearance, and click on Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, find and select the header PHP file. It's usually listed under the theme files on the right-hand side. Paste the meta tag you copied earlier right before the closing tag. Once you've done that, click on the Update File button, go back to Google Search Console, and click the Verify button. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message saying that your site has been successfully verified. Congratulations, you've added your WordPress site to Google Search Console. Now you can start exploring your site's performance, checking for any issues, and submitting your sitemap. This will help Google understand your site better and improve its visibility in search results. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.